Hey, are you trying to lose weight? Then watch the following video. It helped me, so why wouldn't it help you?
3-Week Diet System Meal Plan. The 3-Week Diet System Meal Plan was created by Brian Flatt, an author and personal trainer. The program is said to help people lose from 12 to 23 pounds within a period of 21 days. It is also associated with other benefits, including a reduction in cellulite, loss of stubborn body fat, faster metabolism, as well as increased energy, among others. What is involved in the program? This program comes in 3 phases. Ideally, you are supposed to lose as much fat as much as possible early on, while introducing more whole foods gradually into your diet. Ultimately, you will end up with a nutritionally balanced and complete diet, thus making it possible for you to maintain a healthy weight for life. What types of exercises are recommended in the program? The exercises in the program are very ideal and effective for weight loss. It comes with a workout manual that is meant to help double your results when you combine it with the recommended diet. You are supposed to work out for only 20 minutes a day, 3 to 4 days a week. The reason being that stubborn body fat is more effectively burned through intense full body exercises as opposed to long cardio sessions. The manual also contains midsection miracle workout, showing you the only 2 exercises that can lead to 6-pack abs. The 3-Week Diet Meal Plan. You are also required to follow the low-calorie diet restrictions, which includes reducing fat and carbohydrates in your diet. Because of the restricted caloric intake, consumption of large amounts of whey protein is recommended. This meal plan also restricts your consumption of fruits and vegetables. In the first week of the program, you can only consume 17 out of over 5,000 types of fruits and vegetables available. When it comes to beverages, you are only supposed to take water, which is very ideal since many people don't drink enough water. The program recommends that you take your first meal at lunchtime and the last meal at bedtime. At the start of the second week, you are required to fast for 48 hours. This is meant to help detox your body. The program also contains information on how to calculate calories, supplements that you need to consume, as well as fasting habits. These are covered in the 3rd phase of the program. Pros. The program offers rapid weight loss results, comes with a money-back guarantee, makes use of ordinary food items that are commonly sold in groceries as well as nutritional supplements that are easy to obtain, takes into account the importance of a positive attitude as well as maintaining motivation for effective weight loss. After achieving your weight loss goal, you can now choose to eat what you want. Cons. The program is very restrictive, especially toward the consumption of calories. Because it involves intermittent fasting, one may experience some hunger as well as discomfort. Includes elimination of carbohydrates, including whole grains, starchy vegetables, and fruit. Promotes the consumption of nicotine pills and caffeine, which are associated with negative side effects. Conclusion. This program is very effective for rapid weight loss, but requires highly motivated dieters because of the fact that it is very restrictive.